Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking and sharing my heart here at Maltby Intermediate School, located in Brighton, Michigan, home of the Bulldogs. It was just an incredible day. Had a lot of students come up to me and share their hearts with me afterwards, especially as it related to getting bullied in the past, but still choosing to show this person love, the person that really truly needed it the most, right? The person that is being mean. 9 times out of 10, something's going on in their hearts, and we have to be the bigger people, rise above the hate, and choose kindness to hopefully help change their heart. And that's really what the focus was today, that dealt with bullying, but even more than that, looking at someone's heart first, seeing them like you see your own best friend, like my shirt says here, one race human, that we see everybody as human beings before anything else, and we really treat them with that decency and respect that everybody deserves, that everybody really needs. And I was so happy to hear that even some people took it to heart such a short time after I spoke, already at lunch on recess, that they had opened their hearts to people that they thought could never really be a friend for whatever reason. And now that they did, they're seeing this person was pretty cool. And I think a lot of us, we have these closed hearts sometimes, and that shields us from meeting potential new best friends, which is why it's so vital to keep our hearts open. You guys touched my heart. It was just so blessed to have met you all, and hope to come back again to talk to the 5th and 6th graders again. Never forget that you guys are all true miracles, like the M on all of our palms says, right? M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, I guess M for Maltby as well, right? But to never forget our true value, our true worth, that we are worthy of love and worthy to give love, and that this world needs us to do that. You guys are beautiful. You touch my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.